We have reestablished deterrence, but we know it's not everlasting, that risk remains. We are determined not to lose that deterrence.
Technology must become a means of deterrence and not a source of destruction.
कि minimum deterrent होना चाहिए.
Pakistan have worked for deterrence to be strengthened in South Asia comprehensively.
Leaders around the world, from the United States to India to Pakistan, often talk about deterring their rivals. But what is deterrence? And what role does it play in Southern Asia today? Explore these questions and more in Restoring Deterrence, a free online course from the Stimson Center's Strategic Learning Initiative. In this interactive, intuitive course, you'll learn about concepts like deterrence, compellence, and coercion, and study how they apply to the conflicts that shape our world.
I felt that there was a good mix of academia as well as practical examples of how the states have behaved in the past, as well as it gets you thinking of how they're likely to behave in the future.
So this course really gives you a lot of information about what is the role of nuclear weapons in maintaining strategic stability in Southern Asia.
Hear from experts in Southern Asia, the US, and beyond, and see how deterrence has evolved over time. From the Cuban Missile Crisis of the Cold War to today's complex interplay linking Pakistan, India, China, and the United States.
What particularly stood out to me is the inclusion of China in understanding the regional dynamics, which is definitely interesting and very relevant. The experts do provide very valuable insights in understanding the unique strategic environment in South Asia.
Tension is building across Southern Asia. As the US and China compete for dominance, India and Pakistan vie for influence, and the region recovers from economic, geopolitical, and public health crises. Now more than ever, it is vital that students, policymakers, and the public understand deterrence, its value, and its limits. Mastering these concepts will help us to build stability and reduce the risk of war.
I believe it's a great course for anybody who's interested in strategic studies, students, analysts, even the watchers of strategic issues.
From students to policy researchers, whether you're new, whether you've already been using, I think there's something in it for everyone, and I would really recommend everyone to take this course.
Enroll in Restoring Deterrence for free today.